Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel again. A journey towards Sehat or Swad. Today's topic, management of COVID through diet. The COVID-19 is an acute and contagious disease. Research has found out that the coronavirus creates inflammation in the body. Inflammation has been connected to most of the major diseases from our time, and half of us are living with chronic inflammation driven by diet, stress, and lack of sleep. Some signs of chronic inflammations include extra belly fat, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, heart diseases, diabetes, etc. Today I am going to discuss the management of diet so that you can keep inflammation at the minimal level. Following are the lifestyle tips which helps you to keep your inflammation at bay and makes your immune system strong. Eat a healthy diet. Take a multivitamin if you suspect that you may not be getting all the nutrients. Maintain a healthy weight. Reduce stress. Control your blood pressure. Get enough sleep. Now I am going to talk about healthy diet for COVID in detail. Inclusions are dark green vegetables. Include as much dark green vegetable as you can in the daily routine. Fruits, especially citrus fruits like oranges, strawberries, sweet limes, lemon, tomatoes, etc. Unsalted nuts, almonds, walnuts, pistachios, etc. Seeds, flaxseed, pumpkin seed, sunflower seeds, chia seeds, sesame seeds, etc. Fatty fishes like salmon, sardines, tuna are rich sources of beneficial fatty acids and omega-3. Olive oils and coconut oil, whole grains and millets such as ragi, oats, barnyard millets, little millets, etc. Green tea, herbs like ginger, garlic, peppercorns, cinnamon, cloves, etc. Onions, turmeric, curds, or any kind of probiotic foods which keeps your digestive tract very good. Vitamin D, that is the sunlight, which is considered to be a most vital element in making your immune system strong. And last but not the least, plenty of water. Exclusions are fried foods, trans fats, which is also found in fried foods and packaged fried foods. Refined carbs, found in cakes, pastries, biscuits, cookies, and everything which is made out of white flour. Soda or any kind of beverages which is rich in sugar and bicarbonate soda. Sugar. Sugar is the most important culprit in creating inflammation in the body. Processed meats. Salt. Excess consumption of salt can aggravate inflammation of blood vessels. All these dietary changes should be coupled with good exercise regime. People with low immunity are more prone to COVID-19. To help or boost your immunity, the plant-based foods play important role in promoting beneficial bacteria in the body. Be safe by following guidelines and practicing good eating healthy habits. If you have any queries regarding this topic or you want any information regarding COVID diet, you can contact me on my email address. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay connected, keep watching. Thank you.